Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Fun with Olivia, and welcome to Friday Fiber Fun with Olivia. Today I'm going to be talking about my January Knitcrate box, and I know it's the end of the month. I really hope this isn't my February one because I signed up for January and I got my free box. If you remember in a prior video, I shared that with you. There was something going on where if you subscribed, you would get a free box. So I got that one, but this is my actual, I believe, January box. So it's a little bit late, but let's take a look. Let me tell you a little bit about Knitcrate. So it is a yarn subscription box, as many of you already know. I am very passionate about crocheting and knitting, and I am just totally a yarn junkie. And I had never been subscribed to any yarn boxes before up until a few weeks ago. About 2 weeks ago, I did a Yarn Yay unboxing, and I loved that box. When I opened my free Knitcrate box, I was very pleased with it too. So I'm really excited to open this. Those are the only two subscriptions that I have. Now, Knitcrate also has, and I'm looking at my notes, a sock crate, a Malabrigo quarterly. So they have a few different varieties of subscriptions. I signed up for the Knitcrate, and it can be for knitters or crocheters. It doesn't matter because they send you patterns for both knitting or crochet. I happen to do both, so I really like that I get twice as many patterns. And then when you sign up, you have a couple of choices to make. One of them is what color vibe you would like to receive. They have 4 different color vibes. The first one is Energize Me, and that's bright, vibrant colors. The second one is all natural. Excuse me. So if you like a more natural palette, they have a third one, which is chill out. It's like blues and greens. And number 4 is anything goes. If you want to be surprised and like to live on the wild side, you want to choose anything goes. So you get something different every month. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. And the reason I left that till the end is because you have one more choice to make when you're subscribing. You can choose the eco-friendly packaging or the traditional packaging. This is the traditional packaging. The eco-friendly is $2 less. So the eco-friendly packaging comes like in an eco-friendly bag. And instead of getting a paper pattern, you get the digital pattern that you can download. So the eco-friendly pattern is $24.99 per month plus $5 for shipping and handling. And with the eco-friendly packaging, they do they plant a tree for every box, every eco-friendly subscription box that they have. And then the traditional packaging is $26.99 per month per box plus $5 shipping and handling. It comes out to about $32 when everything is said and done with tax and everything. I think it comes out to like $34. So anyways, let's jump in and check out. Yep, it looks like my January box. So this is what it looks like. You can, post information with the hashtag Unravel Your Knitcrate. And for a chance to win 3 free months of Knitcrate if you post it. So I might be doing that. And here's the yarn. Now I chose the Chill Out. I was going to do the Energize Me because I love bright colors, but along with the bright colors, they have pinks but they also have oranges and reds, and I'm not a huge fan of oranges and reds. So I stuck to the Chill Out, which tends to be blues and greens, I believe, purples, all of that. So this is what it looks like. So let's take a look at this beautiful yarn, which I am loving this color. It looks like a chunky weight Audine Wools by Knitcrate. The line is called Hazel. Sheepishly sharing, share what you love. So that's what it says here. So the colorway is called Dusk. Oh my God, you guys, I always have to do this. The colorway is Dusk. It's 70%. Oh my God, I think I got like a little bit of yarn on me. 70% superwash merino, 20% kid mohair. I think that's what I got stuck to my lips right now. 10% silk. You get 120 yards or 100 grams. Hand wash only, lay flat to dry. All Otting wool yarns are made exclusively for Knitcrate. So that's what it says in the back here. So you get 2 of these, which I think is one of the best things about Knitcrate. You get 2 skeins. This is gonna be the cover photo for my video. You also get like a goodie, and this month's goodie is, we'll look at the magazine in a second. It looks like, I don't know what these are called. It's probably in the magazine, but they're to sew on your handmade projects. So it's a little piece of fabric. Yeah, so this one says hand stitched with love and lots of yarn, and it has like a yarn ball and some knitting needles. That's so cute. I don't know if you can see that. The next one says 100% handmade and non-regiftable. Oh, I guess so. It's 2 of each. There are 2 of I use the good stuff just for you. That's cute. I like these. And then, so 2 of those. And then 2 of this took forever to make. Don't ruin it. That's cute. That's really cute. Imagine, you know, giving something away and sewing this on. That would be really cute. So that's the little freebie. Okay, so let's take a look. And so it comes with a magazine. And so I guess the inspiration for this Knitcrate box is shadows. What I like, one of the things I like that I noticed in my free box is that they show you all of the colors. So for the membership crate, for this crate box, you get to see all 3 of them. So had I signed up for the all natural one, I think it's actually, I'm not sure, but it shows you the other yarns that you could have gotten for this month's Knitcrate. And then it shows you information about their sock crate. The one I saw in my free box was so tempting. I'm like, do I want the sock crate box too? Because they were really pretty too. These are pretty too. The other ones were more colorful. So, you know, sometimes you get colorful sock and sometimes you get solids, but that's the sock crate. It tells you about the company. I'll read a little bit. It says, this month, we're excited to work with Margaret Olander of Sheepishly Sharing. Margaret is a maker's maker, stitching up crochet, knit, and sewing projects on her Sheepishly Sharing YouTube channel. Oh, so she has a YouTube channel too. I don't know who this is, but I'm definitely gonna look her up. I won't read the rest. Okay, and then it tells you about the yarn. So let's find out. So the skeins run for $30 each. Remember, the subscription for this is only $26.99 for me, and I got 2 of them, and they sell for $30 each. So that's a really good deal for luxury yarn. But let's read what it says about my yarn, which is the shade Dusk. It's the chill out option. It says, they say the darkest hour is just before the dawn. Our chill out colorway Dusk is a deep royal blue reminiscent of that darkest time of night. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. But these are really pretty too. Look at that one. That one is Penumbra is the name of that shade, and it says, what would the night sky be without the shadow from the moon? Our all-natural color vibe Penumbra is a soft silvery pool of darkened moonlight. And then Energize Me is like a lavender, I want to say. Ever wake in the middle of the night from a gentle sleep and the world is quiet and calm? Lucid, our energizer, the color Lucid, our Energize Me color vibe with its warm undertones in this purple speak to that peaceful, cozy feeling. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. I'm glad I have the chill out. Okay, so, and then it shows you what patterns you get. So it looks like we're gonna have a cowl, and it looks like a hat, and then the 2 socks, which I can still make even though I don't get the sock crate. You know, it's nice to get the Okay, so I won't show you the pattern, but this is the pattern for the, or the picture for the hat pattern. I like that it has a cable chart too, so it has written, the pattern is written row by row or round by round, but it also has a chart, which is nice. And then this is the picture for the cowl, which we just saw. And that looks nice. Yeah, so it looks like this is a mock cowl. Or you could do, you know, make whatever you want. It doesn't have to be this. These are the socks for any sock makers out there. These are pretty, actually. So I am not normally a sock maker, but that is one of my goals to do this year. I want to make some socks. So maybe I'll make one of these. So that was the knit sock, and I believe this is the crochet sock. So yeah, and this is the back of it. Next theme peek. So they give you a sneak peek for February. I can't wait. I love pinks and purples. So this is going to be right up my alley. And yeah, so let me know what you think of the yarn. I know it's a little bit pricier, but for 2 skeins of luxury yarn, and I know some people don't like to hand wash. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. So I don't know what I'm going to make. I might make the patterns. I might make something else to put it around my, you know, maybe a cowl or something. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm a happy camper. Let me know your thoughts below, your comments. Are you subscribed to anything? Let me know down in the comments below. And thank you so much for visiting with me today. Bye.